When you search for metal cutting bandsaws, everything looks the same. Same claims about power, same blade specs, same photos. But to figure out which one actually performs when you're deep into a job and which ones just look good on paper, you have to dig a little deeper. Let's do that.
Product number 1, DeWalt 20V Max Portable Bandsaw. The DeWalt 20V Max Bandsaw, a bare tool that sits around $250. What caught my eye was the 5-inch cutting capacity and the integrated hang hook, small details that make a big difference on a busy job site. If you want a reliable cordless saw that handles deep cuts without weighing you down, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brushless motor means more power and longer tool life, especially when cutting through thick steel or rebar. The LED work light with a 20-second delay helps you see your cut line in dimly lit garages or basements, something you'll appreciate more than you think. Plus, the tool-free blade chain lever saves time when switching between materials. DeWalt's reputation for durability backs this up, and with 400 plus bought recently, it's clearly trusted in real-world use. Now, some people might be frustrated that it's sold as a bare tool, no battery or charger included. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the DeWalt 20V ecosystem, you probably have spares lying around. But if you're starting fresh, that extra cost adds up fast. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or DIYer already using DeWalt tools and need a portable, no-fuss saw for metal and wood. Skip this one if you don't own 20V batteries yet and don't want to invest in the platform. Still, for the performance, it's solid value.
Product number 2, Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw at $318.88. This one's built for serious metalworkers. What stands out immediately is the 5x5-inch cut capacity and a power state brushless motor delivering 550 SFPM. If you're cutting unistrut, pipe, or structural steel all day, this is built for that grind. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Milwaukee claims up to 78 cuts per charge on 1 5/8 unistrut. That's huge for electricians or HVAC techs who need speed and runtime. The cut brake feature automatically stops the blade when you lift it, protecting nearby materials and reducing wear. Plus, the integrated rafter hook lets you hang it safely while working overhead. It's also one of the lightest in its class, so fatigue won't slow you down. Now, some users complain about the price, and honestly, it's steep if you're not using it daily. Here's the thing though, for professionals who depend on the tools, that cost pays off in durability and efficiency over time. But if you're a weekend warrior, it might be overkill. This is perfect for you if you're a tradesperson who cuts metal regularly and values runtime, precision, and safety features. Skip this one if you only need occasional cuts or aren't already invested in the M18 system. It's premium, but it earns that price.
Product number 3, Milwaukee Compact M18 Bandsaw. If the deep cut model felt too heavy or expensive, Milwaukee's compact version at $274 might be your sweet spot. This one's over 20% lighter than the original M18 Compact, making it easier to handle in tight spaces. If you want Milwaukee power without the bulk, this is a smart middle ground. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Power State brushless motor with constant power technology delivers the fastest cutting in its class, ideal for quick pipe or conduit cuts on job sites. It's made for plumbers and electricians who need speed and portability. The lightweight design means you can use it one-handed, which is a game changer when working in crawl spaces or on ladders. Now, some people expected more cutting capacity. It's not as deep as the deep cut model. Here's the thing though, that trade-off is exactly why it's lighter and more maneuverable. If you don't need to cut 5-inch steel regularly, this is actually a benefit. This is perfect for you if you need a fast, lightweight saw for everyday metal cutting and already use M18 tools. Skip this one if you regularly tackle thick materials or need maximum cut depth. For most users, it's excellent value.
Product number 4, eCarc 20V Cordless Bandsaw. That was a solid option, but the next one might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers, the eCarc 20V Bandsaw at just $135.99. What's clever here, it's compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, so if you've already got those, you're saving big. If you want brushless power and cordless convenience without breaking the bank, this is a steal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It delivers 630 SFPM no-load speed and a 2.5-inch cut capacity, perfect for aluminum, steel pipe, or conduit. The 6-speed dial lets you fine-tune for different metals, reducing burrs and heat. Plus, the tool-free blade chain and built-in LED light make it user-friendly. It's also lightweight, so one-handed operation is easy. Now, some people are wary of lesser-known brands. Here's the thing though, with 100+ recent sales and solid build quality, it's clearly gaining trust. Just don't expect Milwaukee-level support or warranty service. This is perfect for you if you want a capable cordless saw on a budget and already own DeWalt batteries. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cuts or brand-name reliability. For the price, it's hard to beat.
Product number 5. Wen 10-amp corded bandsaw. The Wen portable bandsaw at $129.27, a corded option that surprised me. It's not flashy, but with a 10-amp motor and 5-inch cut capacity, it punches above its weight. If you want raw cutting power without worrying about battery life, this is a no-nonsense choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Variable speed from 60 to 420 FPM means you can dial in the perfect pace for steel, aluminum, or plastic. The ball-bearing blade guides and external tension lever keep everything stable during long cuts. At just 14.5 pounds, it's lighter than most corded saws, and a 2-year warranty adds peace of mind. Now, some people hate being tethered to an outlet. Here's the thing though, if you're in a shop or garage with power, that cord means constant power, no downtime for charging. It's perfect for stationary work. This is perfect for you if you work in one place and want maximum power for the price. Skip this one if you need to move around job sites without outlets. For under $130, it's a beast.
So which one wins? For pros, the Milwaukee Deep Cut leads in power and features. DeWalt and the compact Milwaukee are great for cordless users. eCarc offers killer value if you've got DeWalt batteries. And Wen? It's the budget powerhouse for shop work. Each has its place. Pick based on your needs, not the hype.